Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you guys are here. I want to take a quick thank you to this channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank any of you who are coming by to watch my content. I appreciate it. If you're so inclined and you haven't yet, you can hit the subscribe button. It'd be awesome. Today is kind of a different unboxing. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to use this VV Baby Banjo Wharncliffe to get into this to keep from doxing myself. But I think this is a warranty return from ProTech Knives, where I sent my Mordax because it had a little detent lash. So let's see what we got here. And it's the box I sent him. What else we got in here? Looks like there's a sticker down there that I can't get out. Nothing else in there. I had to fill out a little piece of paperwork when I sent it in, saying what was wrong. I talked to customer service first to kind of find out the process. And let's see what we got. Well, we got a sticker. Got no detent lash. Well, guys, I do not know because I did not put a mark on it. Let me look at this knife real closely. I don't know if I got a repair or if I got a replacement. In either case, I've only been without it for about 8, 9, 10 days. Has absolutely no detent lash. Before it had a little rattle. You could just feel it shifting. Perfectly centered. Magna cut blade. Guys, I'm thinking this may be a new knife because I'd used mine quite a bit, and I want to say that my clip and show side scale had some marks on it because I've got it in Nashville last year, so it was a year old. This looks amazingly fresh. Anyway, that is a short unboxing of my ProTech Mordax coming back after what I will say was exceeded my expectations, warranty work. I thought it would be fixed. I thought it might take a little while. I even told them, no rush, I've got plenty of other knives. It came back quickly. You guys saw it. It's in a sealed package. I'm convinced it may be a brand new knife because they couldn't get it just right, but I can tell you this one is perfect. And I am stoked to have it back in the collection. I love it. Guys, I appreciate y'all hanging out on this weird journey with me. Thought you might find that interesting. That's how it came back. That's how the experience has been. And I want to thank Dave and ProTech Knives for what I consider to be just great customer service. Guys, I appreciate y'all more than you know. All I ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.